Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip in Opera browser. So how to hide tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip in Opera browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Then tap tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip. This feature hides tabs from the same domain in the Opera Tab Tooltip, so that the display is neater and more focused when viewing the tab preview. So that's it, the tutorial how to hide tabs from the same domain in Tab Tooltip in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.